Could we memories maybe beautiful and yet what's too painful to remember? We simply choose to forget. So it's the laughter.
She's in her zone. She's in her element right there. That's nice.